Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Target login problems. Account access restored step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening any other website or app. Close the Target app or browser completely and reopen it to clear a temporary glitch. Make sure you are entering the correct email address or phone number linked to your Target account. Retype your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off to avoid hidden typing mistakes. Tap or click Forgot Password and follow the reset link or code to create a new strong password. Open your email inbox and also check spam or junk folders for the password reset message. If you receive a verification code by SMS, wait 1 minute and request a new code if the first one expires. If you are using a VPN, turn it off because Target may block unusual or masked locations. Try logging in using a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari to rule out a browser issue. If you are on the app, update the Target app from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Restart your phone or computer to refresh system services that can affect sign-in. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen the browser and try again. On iPhone, you can also try Offload app or delete and reinstall the Target app for a clean install. On Android, go to App Info, then Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data, and sign in again. Confirm your device date and time are set to automatic because wrong time can break secure logins. If you see an account locked message, wait 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. Avoid repeated rapid attempts because too many tries can extend the lock or trigger security checks. Try signing in on a different network like mobile data instead of Wi-Fi to bypass network restrictions. If you use a password manager, copy and paste the password carefully and remove extra spaces. Check if Target services are down by searching Target app down or Target login issues in your browser. If you recently changed your email or phone, verify the new contact method inside your account settings if you can access it anywhere. If you can log in on one device but not another, sign out everywhere and sign back in on the problem device. Turn off browser extensions like ad blockers temporarily because they can block sign-in pages. Make sure cookies are allowed for Target sites because login sessions require cookies to work. If you get a security prompt, complete any identity verification steps exactly as shown on screen. Contact Target guest services through the official help page if you suspect unauthorized access or you cannot receive reset codes. Prepare your account details like email, phone, and recent order info to help support verify you faster. After access is restored, enable stronger security by using a unique password and keeping your recovery email and phone updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.